Okay guys, this is a 2022 Honda CRV, I believe Touring. Rebuilt title, theft. It just scraped out the VIN, so we had to get a VIN plate done on it. Wasn't damaged. So this is what we had to do to get the VIN plate on there. Nice leather seats. Start it up. $36,474 on the miles. Our steering wheel controls, lane assist, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, navigation, backup camera, just the views of the camera, heated seats, climate control, brake hold, wireless charging, smart key. This does have the sunroof on it. Memory seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, your lane assist, your power lift gate, power seats. Seat looks clean as can be. Put this key in here so it quits beeping at us. It is in there. I think it's going to keep on doing it. See a few little scrapes there on that rear bumper. Jack there. Pretty pearl paint. Don't see any paint work on it. It's ever been done. Again, theft. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.